Hello and welcome to Take It Simple. This is your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the Threads app in your mobile device. You must have an Instagram account to log into a Threads account. So, go to the Play Store and then search for Threads. Press on Install and then wait for a while for the Threads to be installed. After the app has been installed, click on Open. Now you can log into your account by pressing to your Instagram account, or you can press on Switch Profiles and you can log in from another account. As I've logged in from my own account, this is what it is shown. So this is how you install Threads in your mobile device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. I expect to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.